How to recover deleted photos on Android without software. So you can recover deleted photos on Android without any software. That's only possible if they were not permanently deleted. So some of the ways that how you can do that is on your gallery here. So open up your gallery on your phone and you can simply go to your trash or bin. So if you click on this menu option here, click on recycle bin or trash bin, and then you'll be able to find your deleted photos here that will be stored here for like 30 to 60 days before permanently being deleted. So you can simply select one and then you can choose to restore it. Hit on restore and you can just get it back to that. Or else if you have them in your Google Photos, you can simply open up your Google Photos and do the same. So for example, in Google Photos, so on your Google Photos, go to collections and then click on this bin or trash, and then here you will be able to see the one that you have deleted. All you have to do is simply select it, and then here you can hit on restore to get it back to your device. Apart from this, what you can also do, you can try to like check your cloud backups. So if you have backed up in clouds, for example like in Google Drive, then what you can do, you can simply open up Google Drive and then look for the files or the media in Google Drive. And then once you have found it, so for example, you can just click on the options here and then select the media, click on the options and hit on the download, and then download it back to your device. So these are the ways how you can recover your deleted photos. And hope this video was helpful, and I will see you all in another video. Thank you.